I mean, and near my say, I could call so social media and internet. It's sometimes at time. Say some crabby say I have a fat phone. Was it funny face? Funny face, what's it then? Was it I called you begging you to do what? Not to expose somebody. Are you kidding me? Was it I called you not to expose somebody? Like, for real? Maybe Pharaoh will say, may I expose you? Be. I don't normally do this, but what you're doing is up to here. Emit sign. You better stop it. Aden, I saw this on social media. I said, more Ade. I felt say as a colleague, and you are even a brother. It's my phone and friend, you my phone and friend also. I catch you say, bra, no. There are children, there are so many people that looks up to you. Munjai. You understand? Mr. Omen don't take things serious. Because when I called him, he was even laughing about it. But we were funny too serious. I was may say, oh, munchaso here. And you had the guts to go and say, Anna, you've recorded, you've recorded what? That I begged you not to expose somebody. You are too matured for this. When you stop it. I mean, what is it? Stop it. Just stop it. No make a vex. Just stop it. No. How can two mature people be fighting and we can't even talk about it because the next minute he's saying different things, the next minute, or they are my bloggers, the next minute, or can't different thing. Look, I don't do this. Don't let me start. So stop it. What is this? What is this? You're taking things, blowing things out of proportion. What is it? I mean, you are mature people. And to say, Obi who bibi, it was social media, not far phone. And the friend will say, oh, funny, near Moyano, Munjai, Muguyenina, it is an industry. And you open our industry name. And then you could open the industry name. It is when something is going wrong, let's say me know what's I can pick up a phone and call you, say, funny, what you people are doing is wrong. Kwajo, what you people are doing is wrong. It's Munjai. Now Munjai, I catch them say, don't expose somebody. Like, are you for real? Are you serious? And that the battle line has been drawn. You must be out of your mind. What is it? What is it? And I will chow who be brave, oh pray, oh come there then. Oh come be brave. What is it? What is it? What is really your problem? O problem and Kasane saying. I will come now. Oh come now with the chow and I will show what you have. Must I keep what you have? Nobody needs it. Then you telling me, say, me Sandra, your me friend said, don't expose somebody. Did I talk to you about that? The only thing I was telling you was, Jai, funny me pow, chow, Jai, Munjai, because this is an industry. Onam hodu, you are saying you are children's president. Children's president, collide mochi, kwajon kansan collide wechi, etimumi enu Munjai no. Me boni am ye no. Me bonia me ye no, right? You are coming to say things and giving stuff to bloggers. You are too childish. Grow up. And stop being too overly emotional. I'm very disappointed in you. I told you this night that I'm very disappointed in you. How can I just call you as a brother and then you come back and then do what? And then what? Better stop it. The Jai said, better stop it. Better stop it. Don't come and expose somebody. Expose it. One ask my cousin, don't expose somebody. Go and expose him. And stop what you're doing. Because too childish. And and you say, you better stop it. You better stop it. Now you are doing this and somebody cannot even call you to tell you, say, oh Jai, only pass message Jai, only pass message Jai, because the next minute we are on social media. The next minute, you are on social media. You better stop it and get me and get my name out of your whatever interviews. Never ever mention my name anywhere. Oh, can't say so I cannot cry. Don't come and be twisting things and be saying because all pray to do. Massa.
Kwame.
Yes, sir, bra.
Na Kwame, wo na wo di onwa kan kojo na mogu me nas me bo a.
Bra, ti, bra. We nye fu, me do Nyankopon atatoro.
Kwame. Kache kojo se me ya boatin. Me na mo ni me ya sa no Kwame. Wo a wo pa ma cho se me fa nka kaso atrotro ho no. Kwame sana Kwame sana wo tie.
Bra ti de me.
Kwame, wo na wo bo kojo ka so se na mo be hype. Me na mo be hype. Me brand na mo be hype. Kwame sana out here.
Assembly bra make am ti dey make oh. Just yan said anya say bia or create oh.
E ti video no no ye no. Oni so de gu mani ma se.
Oh. Ye na kasa obi ara na kasa say nula onya.
E na ogusu ye me bo a.
Sandra na kasa so.
Yo, Sandra frame me. Sandra pa ma cho so ne be kasa na ogusu ye. Kojo ebe phone no mema Ghana phone nyem se kojo ye fake nyame tua ne kapa me na make a show hey me I no dey play that game o money bra ma bre Kwame me woni nyama ma fem aka me koku me aka me ko wu nyame adum no asa ma me so mo be sai me Kwame woni kojo be sai me Kwame nyame ti obi ntafo a nipa no suro no wate me na mo ni me dis agro no ka je kojo se na bosum nya esua Kwame, sana uwaya me Kwame anfie. Uwu mi ayesa masa sana out here Kwame. Ebe funu.
International himfie.
Yo,
the whole Ghana.
International.
Let me pay. What you say award the funny face the ampa.
Award we. The ODN.
Nti
award the any the papa na semba ko na wasum twintwan. We kwa chesa award the masa. Alobi ne dia ma wa on trezenye din iposo ka pi na je o masafi kwa ya play no o ma mi din da me ma yede me masa me masa ro me boss wo ko bi mi din ati o ka se me da me da to ayi se so ka se me nya bia ada na me so de ba me so masa we se obi abehu sa award no de alobi ne kwaji o asem ba kwa so mtwintwan masa cat
kwa sama nkran kwa yo nyina na ke kaze favorite actor in Ghana. Can you pass me? Your friend Bianto Nchen. Beta mu ntwa mu fona. Iba favorite actor in Ghana. O de man wan. Kan kwe. Ana men kan go bana he akobotuwom nuwom kwakuma nuwom bande ka obi awum. Ena kuma yi funny face na funny face deserve favorite actor. Di pan pan kwe. Wa se ni go esa kwadumu. What want ndi bim? Yo ko yen kana man. Oh. Best actor, you can't pass. Oh, ni kwa ba kupo. Etu enya kana yana sa award no. Ubi obene kama sa fezo ko na wodiska selfish interest skanti. Woje nya shifta mawi. We dia pantin sa so jisu ani nyam kan. Etam woje e favorite actor ono aje kwa no papa no. Afini ya ball win di imagine.
That's Kojo and can is a question now.
As it has been given to you, so shall you also give. Funny fans, who is ready for a Sonata and a Jaguar? Who is ready for a Sonata and a Jaguar? It's about to go down. Yeah, these two boys need to go, okay? You babies need to go, okay? You need to have a new owner, okay? So that they cruise you well. But this one will go to a deep, real fan who really needs it. It's about to go down. You know what the told is me, Kaswa Van Damme, aka he go over you. Kaswa Michael Jackson said it's about to go down. Let me tell you something. They call me Mr. Top, and I am like Adebayo. When I talk, I do am. No. Adebayo, Massa. Yeah, it's about to go down. So somebody's blessing can be your blessing, depending on how you position your life to receive the blessing from the atmosphere of God.
Asa requested for something that was meant for somebody, and today to God be the glory is for Asa. Asa requested for $1,000. To God be the glory.
And you are the scanning straight up.
Now how can I?
Melan man don't have a beer. He will over you. Serious. Or more promise here, they deliver. Serious.
To God be the glory.
To God be the glory. It's a measurement of me, Paul. Serious. I find them. I know boss Genesis.
To God be the glory.
To God be the glory. It's a measurement of me, Paul. Serious. I know find them. I know boss Genesis. Boss, the boss is whom you
feel free and go enjoy, yeah?
Serious.
Asa, I see me done your butterfly, so enjoy yourself, eh?
Mr. Token.
I'm like Adebayo. I talk, I do. That's what